Hello student, welcome to all. Today we will discuss another question related to Maxima Minima. So, we all need to know what is the process to finding the minimum and maximum value of the given function. So, we have a given function f equals to sin x plus cos 2x. Step 1, we will find the first derivative of fx, that means f dash x, and equal to 0 that means f dash x equals to 0. F dash x equals to 0. So we have fx sin x plus cos 2x. That means f dash x derivative of sin x plus derivative of cos 2x equals to derivative of sin x. We have all know the derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x equals to 0. Why? Because the derivative of cos 2x is minus sin 2x and derivative of 2x is 2. So, cos x minus 2, we have another formula sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x. Cos x take common, this is 1 minus 4 sin x equals to 0. Good. So, either if cos x equals to 0 implies that x equals to pi by 2. Everybody know the value of 0 in terms of cos is pi by 2. If 1 minus 4 sin x equals to 0, that means 4 sin x equals to 1, sin x equals to 1 by 4, then x equals to sin inverse 1 by 4. We have two values. One value is x equals to pi by 2 and the value is x equals to sin inverse 1 by 4. Now I will find the second derivative of the given function. We have step second. We have f dash x equals to cos x minus 2 sin 2x. Step second. Find f double dash x. That means f double dash x equals to derivative of cos x minus 2 derivative of sin 2x. That means derivative of cos x is minus sin x and derivative of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. This is minus take common, sin x plus 4 cos 2x. We have the other formula of cos 2x. And the formula of cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. Derivative of cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin. So why? Because we have only single formula cos 2x equals to cos square x minus sin square x. I want to convert this cos 2x in terms of sin. So we have also one another formula for cos square x equals to 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. This is 1 minus 2 sin square x. If I want to convert this into cos, then cos square x minus sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. This will be 2 cos square x minus 2. If I want to change in the terms of x, then formula will be cos square 2 cos square x minus 1. And I want to change in the terms of sin, the formula is 1 minus 2 sin square x. So, I will solve this minus sin x plus 4 minus 8 sin square x. This is the value of f double dash x. 4 1 minus 2 sin square x, 4 minus 8 sin square x. In step third, I will use the value of x in f double dash x at once x equals to pi by 2 and also x equal to sin inverse 1 by 4. At x equals to pi by 2, f double dash x is minus sin x plus 4 minus 8 sin square x minus f double dash x pi by 2 at x equals to pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 plus 4 minus 8 sin square pi by 2. This is minus sin pi by 2 is 1 plus 4 minus 8 sin square pi by 2. What is the value of sin square pi by 2? Sin square pi by 2 will be 1 square. So this value is minus 1 plus 4 minus 8 minus 5 minus 8. This is minus 3. This is f double dash pi by 2 is 3. This is greater than 0. So fx is minima at x equals to pi by 2. And the minimum value what is the minimum value? Using x equals to pi by 2 in fx. That means f of pi by 2 will be sin pi by 2 plus cos 2 pi by 2. So the sin pi by 2 is 1 and the value of cos phi is minus 1. This is 1 minus 1 is 0. Function of pi by 2 is 0. This is the minimum value. We have minimum value at x equals to pi by 2 in fx equals to 0. So I will find for x equals to sin inverse 1 by 4. Similarly, at x equals to sin inverse 1 by 4, we have f sin inverse 1 by f double dash sin inverse 1 by 4 will be, what is f double dash x? Minus sin x sin inverse 1 by 4 plus 4 minus 8 sin inverse 1 by 4 square. This is minus, this is 1 by 4 plus 4 minus 8 into 1 by 16. So this is minus 17 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So that means minus 17 minus 2 by 4 minus 15 by 4. Again I will check. This is minus 1 by 4, 17 by 4, minus 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 1 by 2, 17 by 4. This is 2, 15 by 4. That means this is the value is negative, less than 0. So fx, f double dash x is less than 0. So at x equals to sin inverse 1 by 4, a function is fx is maximum. And for maximum value, f of using x equals to sin inverse 1 by 4 in using x equals to sin inverse 1 by 4 in fx. So f of sin inverse 1 by 4 equals to, what is fx? Sin x plus cos 2x. Sin inverse 1 by 4. Sin inverse 1 by 4 minus cos 2x. What is the cos 2x? 1 minus 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x. This is cos 2x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 1 minus 2 sin square x. Sin square x. Sin inverse 1 by 4 whole square. So that means this is 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 2 into 1 by 16. 1 by 4 minus 1 plus 1 by 8. So this is the 8 take called LCM. 2 minus 8 plus 1 minus 5 by 8. So something is wrong in this question. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 sin square x. Right? This is the plus sign. This is the plus sign. Plus, and this is minus. 10. 8 plus 10 minus 1. This is 9 by 8. This is the maximum value of the given function. Because sin x plus sin is here. 1 minus 2 sin square x. So when you use the value of sin 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 5 by 4, 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2, that means this is 9 by 8. So you can, by this process, you can find the maximum amount of maxima and minima, and also you can find the maximum and minimum value for the given function. Thank you very much.